Kalonzo headed for premium tiers over Gachagwa's 4M Fort demand Moses Kuria wants. Former Cabinet Secretary Moses Kuria has issued a stark warning to opposition leader Kalonzo Musyoka, Eugene Wamalwa, and Fred Matiang'i regarding their alliance with former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, escalating their already bitter political feud. In a Monday social media post, Kuria criticized Gachagwa's recent pronouncements in Kagundo, where he demanded that Kalonzo must deliver 4 million Kamba votes to secure a share in the opposition's 2027 presidential bid. Dear Kalonzo, Wamalwa and Matiang'i, leader of opposition, has said you can't leave your house when he is not around. On Saturday in Kagundo, he said Kalonzo will have to bring 4 million votes, otherwise no shares. Caveat emptor, this will end up in premium tiers, Kuria posted. EBK Online Updates News. Subscribe.